Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Hey, Lauren, are you free this Saturday evening?
I think so. What do you have planned?
I'm having a birthday party at my apartment.
Your birthday is coming up this weekend?
Yes, it's on Saturday, August 15th.
Happy early birthday. What time does it start?
It starts at 7, but come around 6:45.
Why should I come a little early?
Parking gets harder once the other guests start arriving.
Is there parking next to your building?
There's a small lot behind the building.
Do guests need a parking pass?
Yes. Get one from the front desk when you arrive.
Should I give them your apartment number?
Yes, tell them you're visiting apartment 312.
Could you text me the full address?
Of course. I'll send it this afternoon.
Who else is coming to the party?
Some college friends, my cousin, and 2 neighbors.
Will I know anyone there?
You know Marcus and Nina from the hiking group.
Oh, I haven't seen them lately.
They're both excited to see you again.
What kind of food are you serving?
We'll have pizza, salad, fruit, and small sandwiches.
Will there be any vegetarian pizza?
Yes, I ordered 2 large veggie pizzas.
Perfect. I don't eat meat anymore.
I remembered that from our last dinner.
Thanks for remembering. What about birthday cake?
My sister is making chocolate cake with strawberries.
That sounds delicious.
She tried the recipe last week.
Did you get to try it?
Yes, and I ate 2 pieces.
Then it must be really good.
There will also be vanilla cupcakes.
Are those for people who don't eat chocolate?
Exactly, and 1 batch will be dairy-free.
You've really thought of everyone.
I want all my guests to enjoy the food.
Should I bring any food for the party?
You don't need to bring any food.
Would drinks or ice be helpful?
I already bought plenty of drinks and ice.
Should I bring a birthday gift then?
You really don't need to bring one.
I'd still like to bring something small.
A simple card would be more than enough.
I can do that. Will you open gifts there?
Probably not. I'd rather talk with everyone.
That should keep the party more relaxed.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Will there be music or games?
We'll play music and a few easy group games.
What kind of music will you play?
Mostly pop, classic rock, and some country music.
Can guests add songs to the playlist?
Yes, I'll share the playlist link this afternoon.
I'll add a few songs everyone knows.
Please avoid songs that are too loud.
I'll choose something fun and upbeat.
My neighbors will appreciate that.
How late do you expect the party to last?
Probably until 10:30 or 11.
I can stay until around 10.
That gives us plenty of time.
What should I wear?
Just wear something casual and comfortable.
Would jeans and a nice shirt work?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Will the party be indoors the whole time?
Mostly, but we may spend time on the balcony.
Will it be cold outside that evening?
The forecast says it should be warm.
I'll bring a light sweater anyway.
That's smart because the apartment gets cool.
Do you need help setting up beforehand?
I could use help arranging the snack table.
What time will you start setting up?
My sister and I will start around 5.
I could arrive at 6:30 and help.
You really don't have to help.
I don't mind helping for 15 minutes.
Then 6:30 would be great.
Should I enter through the front lobby?
Yes, the side door stays locked after 6.
Will the front desk know about the party?
Yes, I'll give them the guest list.
Do you need my last name?
No, they only asked for first names.
Will I need to show my ID?
Probably not, but bring it just in case.
Thanks. Is your building near Oak Street?
Yes, it's next to the Greenway Pharmacy.
I remember that corner now.
The entrance faces Pine Avenue, not Oak Street.
That will help me find the entrance.
The entrance is easy to miss the first time.
Should I call if I can't find parking?
Yes, and I can meet you downstairs.
Could I use the public garage nearby?
Yes, the garage is across from City Hall.
How much does parking cost there?
It costs $3 after 6.
That's reasonable for downtown parking.
The building lot is free, but spaces are limited.
I'll try the lot first.
Remember to get the pass from the front desk.
Right, and I'll say I'm visiting apartment 312.
Exactly. You've got all the important details.
So Saturday at 6:30, casual clothes and a card.
Yes, and come hungry.
I'd love to come.
I'm really glad you can make it.
Thanks for inviting me to celebrate with you.
I'm glad my good friends will be there.
I'll wait for your address and playlist link.
I'll text both of them this afternoon.
Thanks. I'll see you Saturday evening.